Guys, yeah, I've just done a new video of me stapling various parts of my bodies that people sent in and asked me to do, but because we're doing it on my phone we couldn't film for any longer, so I'm doing a few more now in this other video. I'm going to be doing my eyebrow, which Jess Burrell wanted me to do, my cheek, and this base bit of my foot. So I'm going to start with the base of my foot and see how this one goes. Oh my god, that was worse. That one was really bad. Right, I'm going to pull it out now for you all to see. Start with this side. Oh, no, that side's coming off. It won't come out, Charlie. Oh. Blooded. It blooded. Right, yep, that was that one. That was bad. Right, cheek. Me and Charlie were just discussing whether it's going to go straight through my cheek or not. And we don't actually know is the answer. I think we came up with, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Charlie doubts it, but I ain't too sure. What do I do if it does go through?
Not a lot.
You can't hospital.
They can't do anything.
I just have to walk around 2 hours in the cheek.
Yep.
Oh my god! Oh, can you see how deep that first bit's in? Can you see that? Oh. Oh no, I thought you was holding your cheek. I've got a dimple. Oh. Right, you can stay in there for a bit. Right, now for the eyebrow. You're gonna have to take that. Can you get that bit there just before my finger, yeah?
I'll try.
Bloody better. Right, good. Calm it.
There, yeah?
I don't know, I'm scared. Oh, Jesus! Is that in?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, it felt like it was. I want to see that. Let me see it when I let go. Oh. See, that one ain't too bad. I can't even feel it now. My cheek one still hurts a bit, but... Right, now you get to see me pull them out. We should start with that one. Oh, that one's boring, wasn't it? Now this one's going to bloody hurt like hell. Should I do it with like a cotton bud, and then you can see it better? If I can get a cotton bud for it. Right. Right, give me a sec, hang on. Do a pencil. Right, you ready? Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! It won't come out. It won't. Oh, Jesus, that one bit. Oh, there it goes. Oh. See, that one was quite painful. Got a bit of blood there and there. That's all good. So yeah, that's the staple video. I was going to say something else, and I can't remember now. Yeah, any other suggestions, comment below, thingy. Subscribe, send it out so we get more subscribers. We had our first unsubscriber the other day, and I weren't happy, so don't unsubscribe or I'll hurt you. Yeah, goodbye.